Badges of Fury. Because the Fury badges don't give a shit. The first shot is in, obviously, CGI. Oh, it's a shit hook. CH-47.
It's real?
No. Steffi, Josie, Colin, everybody's in this goddamn movie. Oh, Corey Yoon. This is the Cantonese dub. Thank God for that. That's a dude. That's a big woman. Wow. What a subtle portrayal of homosexuals. Kina Ho and them titties. I did not need to see that guy's underwear. Yeah, this is unrealistic, but I could watch these two fight all day. You're a nexus for the universe's incompetence. Could be subtitle of the year. I'm not concerned with verisimilitude when it's lighthearted and silly, so that's why it don't bug me. Now get on your knees and thank me. Men in Black parody. Some woman is at each of their funerals. Or it has at least been photoshopped into photos of their funerals. Dumped you like a bag of old pantyhose. She looks like she's smuggling a naked midget in her shirt. She's gonna have a bad back in about 20 minutes. How many batteries does that jacket take? It's nice to see Eva Huang's stunt double get work. Innocent my tuchus. Whenever doctor did her chin, did it sort of off-center. It's like, it's not right. Raymond Lam Feng's fucking ugly jackets. You catty skank. How the hell did it get from the airport to a cemetery so fast? The necklace was an important cultural artifact, so they already sent it back to New York because China doesn't hold on to things from other people, unlike the way other people hold on to things from China. God damn.